Mining ETC on Antpool using the Antminer E9 Pro. In our previous post about mining Ethereum Classic ETC with the Antminer E9 Pro through Antpool, we published 5 videos explaining the unboxing, connection, setup, checking statistics, and how to start mining processes. In this article, we will go over the same steps, but in written form, as there are many miners around the world who would prefer these guides in text. This is the link to our previous post. In the following sections, we will explain the processes mentioned above. 1. Unboxing the Antminer E9 Pro. When unboxing the Antminer E9 Pro, you will find a big machine that measures 22 inches deep, 8 inches wide, and 12 inches tall. In centimeters, that is 56 centimeters deep, 20 centimeters wide, and 31 centimeters tall. It has an Ethernet port to connect to your local internet router, but it does not bring the cable, so you need to get one. The miner requires 3000 watts of power and runs at 220 to 240 volts. So if you are mining from a location with different voltage, then you will need a transformer with two 220 to 240 outlets. I said above 2 outlets because the E9 Pro miner uses 2 power sources, one for the fans and one for the mining boards. However, the machine does not come with a power cables, so you will need to purchase them as well. If you will mine at home or office and you have normal air conditioning or temperature is around 75 degrees Fahrenheit, around 24 degrees Celsius, then it will work fine. 2. Connection. The fans of the Antminer E9 Pro make a lot of noise, so if you're mining from home or office, make sure to put it in an isolated location. To connect the ASIC miner, first get the 2 power cables and connect them to the 2 available plugs in the machine. Then connect the other ends of the 2 cables into the transformer if you're using one, a multi-plug extension cord, or outlets on the wall. Second, connect the miner to the router by plugging your Ethernet cable to the port in the miner and then into your local Wi-Fi router. If you're using a transformer or multi-plug extension, then connect them to the wall outlet. Once you connect the power source to the miner or you turn on the transformer, the machine will start immediately. You will notice that the secondary fans start first, and after a while the primary fans will turn on. 3. Setup with your local computer. To set up your Antminer E9 Pro to your computer to be able to manage it, both machines must be connected to the same Wi-Fi router. To open the Antminer interface, open your browser and type the URL 192.168.0.210 to access it. This is the address of your miner within your local network. The interface will immediately ask you for a user ID and password. The defaults are root and root, so type them as your ID and password to open the interface. Once in the user interface, you need to change your password for security reasons. This is to go to the system. For this, go to the System tab on the left-hand menu and change your password there. The next step is to configure your miner to point it to the Antminer pool. For this, we will go to the Settings section, but first we will get the configuration information from Antpool in the next section. 4. Start mining. Connecting to Antpool. To get the configuration information from Antpool to connect your miner to that mining pool, you need to go to https://antpool.com and register. Once you are on your account, select ETC as the mining pool you want to work for by opening the drop-down menu on the top right and clicking on Ethereum Classic. On the ETC mining page, you will see the 3 pool addresses listed below. You will have to copy each address and paste them in the corresponding section on your Antpool interface. For this, open your Antpool app again and go to Settings. In the Settings page on the Antminer interface, you will see the form to enter the 3 URLs to mine through Antpool: Pool 1, Pool 2, and Pool 3. In the mining address fields, enter the mining URLs the Antpool gave you one by one. In the miner name field, give a name to this miner you're configuring by entering your Antpool account ID, followed by a dot, and then a number you may give to this machine. For example, in my case, I named it etcpow.11, where etcpow is my account ID on Antpool and 11 is the number I gave my miner. In the password field, just enter 123, which is the usual password that these systems use. Once you entered all the fields, then press Save. Now you're ready to see the dashboard with your mining statistics. 5. Checking the miner statistics. It is important to know that you need to wait for several minutes after you started mining to start seeing statistics on your Antminer and Antpool dashboards. When you go to the Antminer dashboard again, you will see the real-time hash rate, network status, fan speed, and miner temperature metrics that should be on normal. Below, you will see a chart of the change hash rate, and on its left, you will see your Antminer specific hash rate. If it's between 3,600 and 4,000 mega hashes per second, then it is a normal range, as the target hash rate of this machine is 3,680 mega hashes per second. At the bottom of the page, you should see your miner has 2 mining boards with a theoretical capacity of 1,850 mega hashes per second each. When you go to the pool section, you must see that the pool is accepting your work. To know this, see if under the column Accepted, there are a number of works accepted by Antpool. If so, then your machine is working fine and connected to the pool. When you go to your account on Antpool, you will see a parallel dashboard to the one on your miner. On your account, you will see a chart that should show that the pool is receiving your work, and also statistics of your hash rate. When you go to the dashboard tab, you will find the hash rate of your worker, how many workers you have in this account on this pool, and your total earnings. 6. We wish you success. We wish you success and happy ETC mining. You may watch this whole explanation in video form here. Thank you for watching this Ethereum Classic video. To learn more about ETC, go to ethereumclassic.org. Thank you very much.